Hi everybody. Today we're going to do the installation of BenguFarm. It's distributed through the internet. So you'll need to open your favorite web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome today. You can just open your Google Chrome and you'll go to www.bengufarm.co.za. When the web page opens, you'll go to menus at the top to downloads and then you'll select software. And it gives you a quick explanation of how the installation needs to be done. There's a step 1 and step 2, where step 1 is installation of crystal reports. Crystal reports is the reporting system that BenguFarm uses to create reports. We changed the setup, so when BenguFarm fires up and Crystal Reports isn't installed, you get a message, do you want to download and install it? So you can actually skip step 1 and do the installation of Crystal Reports the first time that BenguFarm opens. I'm just going to do the installation of BenguFarm itself and skip that step for now. You'll find your BenguFarm installer here. The current version at time of this recording is 29 January. So you can just right click on the link, save link as, and select the place you want to save a link to. I'm going to use the downloads folder. You click on save. In Google Chrome, you get an indication here of how far the download is, and we're just going to wait for it to complete. You can double click here to open it, or you can click the show in folder. I'm going to do the show in folder, and then you'll see your installation file and you can just double click to run it. You'll get a Windows warning. You can just click on more info here and say run anyway. And now in certain circumstances you'll get this warning. It says to you that the setup requires .NET Framework 3.5. So .NET is a Microsoft technology on which applications is built, and BenguFarm requires .NET 3.5. So if it's not installed, you won't be able to run the setup. In that case, you're going to need to install .NET 3.5 first. I'm quickly going to demonstrate it to you. I'm just going to exit the setup first, and you'll go to your Windows search. On Windows 10, there's also a search. This is Windows 11. Click on your search and you'll search for Windows features. And you'll get a link to say turn Windows features on or off. Just click on it to open it. And Windows will give you a list of different features that can be installed. You need to click the first one. It says .NET Framework 3.1. Just make a mark there and click on OK. Now Windows will try to install .NET Framework for you, and it will give you options to download the files from the internet, or you can specify where the files is on your local PC. Please select let Windows update download files for you. So I clicked on it and the download will start. And I'll skip the video to where the download is finished. Okay, sometime later, it actually took a couple of minutes for Windows to download .NET 3.5. And once the download is complete, it applies for changes to your system. That is actually a quick process. It only takes a couple of seconds on my system. Depending on the speed of your PC, the installation of .NET can take a minute or two. In some circumstances, the installation of .NET 3.5, your PC can request you to restart your computer. If it does, please restart your computer. Otherwise, .NET 3.5 isn't installed. Okay, now that we have .NET 3.5 on our system, we can go back to our setup file, and I'm going to rerun it now. And to get to your welcome wizard, you can just next on the steps. It gives you a license agreement that you must agree. Say next. It will give you a location where BenguFarm will be installed. You can use the default one. This option here at the bottom says, do you want to install it for everyone or just me? That will be a case for computers that's got different user profiles on it. It only means that the shortcut will be visible in all the profiles or only the profile you're currently working in. You can leave it on the default for everyone. In this case, I'll say next and next, and it will start the installation, and you'll get another user account control message that asks you to allow the installation. Just click yes there. Okay, as you can see, the installation is quite quick. And we can exit the installation, and BenguFarm is now installed. In the next video, we will handle the initial setup of BenguFarm, where you will learn how to set it up, add your herds, etc., etc. Okay, thank you very much.